Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to dive into one of the fundamental SQL commands for working with databases, that is the select statement. This command is the key to retrieving data from databases and is used in countless applications. We'll be using two sample databases, that is Sakila and World databases, which comes with MySQL of bench installation. So by the end of this video, we will be confident in using select statements to query data in MySQL databases. Let's get started. First of what exactly is the select statement? Select statement is the command used to retrieve data from one or more tables. Think of it like asking the database a question and it responds with specific information you need. Let's see the basic syntax. Select column name from table name. So here we are specifying the column name that we want to retrieve and the table name where that column is located. So for example, want to bring the titles from the film table. So in secular database, we have the tables and in the table name is film. On this film, we want to pull data from title. Okay, to retrieve data from title, we need to enter select title and the table name is film. Let me select this query and execute. And just like that, we got the list of film titles. Next, we will see using select statement with multiple columns. In secular database, the film has not only a title but also description, release year, and some other columns. To retrieve multiple columns, we can separate them with commas like this. Let's say I want to retrieve title, description, and also the release year. So I will just add comma, description, column name, and the release year, another column from film table. Select the query and then execute. So this command returns the title, description, and release year of the film. So if you are finding this tutorial helpful, make sure to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos on SQL and data analysis. So what if you don't want to see all the data in a table but just a specific subset of data? That's where the where class comes in handy. The where class allows us to filter our results based on the conditions. Let's say I want to find only the films released in year 2006. In that case, we can add the where condition. Let me copy this query and paste it here. So now we want to filter show only the films released in year 2006. So where release underscore year is equal to 2006. Let me execute the query. See here in this list we have data displayed only the titles with the release year 2006. Let's see one more example using where condition. We have one more database here, that is the world database. If you want to use this database now instead of Sakila, you have to write use world. And before executing a query that are present in the world table, you need to make sure that you are mentioning this use world statement so that now data is pulled from this schema. So let me write a query to see the cities with population over 1 million. Select name, comma, population from city where population greater than 1 million. Select the statement command and then execute. That's it. Here we have the names, city, and the population over 1 million. We can also use SQL to sort and limit our results. To sort data, we use the order by clause. And to limit number of results returned, we use limit clause. For instance, if we want to see the top 5 largest cities by population, we could type select name, comma, population from city ordered by population. So we want to order by descending order. So DESC limit to limit the data to 5 records. We use limit class limit 5. So if I execute this query, this will give us the 5 cities with the highest population sorted in descending order. So here we don't need to provide comma. Let me execute this query again. So this one has given us the 5 cities with the highest population sorted in descending order. So finally, let's look at the combining data from multiple tables using joins. In the Sakila database, we have film table and an actors table, and we can combine them to see which actors are in each film. To do this, we'll be writing something like select title, comma, actor dot. Actor dot is because we are going to get this first name column from the actor table, comma, actor dot last name from film table, join film underscore actor or film dot film ID is equal to film underscore actor dot film ID. Join, so we are joining one more table, actor on film underscore actor dot actor ID is equal to actor dot actor ID. So select this command and then execute. So we have an error saying that table world.film does not exist. This is because earlier we said to use world database, have to switch to the schema. So use Sakila, execute this statement. Now run the query. This should give us the result. Fine, we can select both queries. So this query combines data from three tables and gives us the title of films along with the names of their actors, first name and last name. And that's a wrap on the basics of select statements in SQL. Today we have covered the essentials of retrieving data, filtering it, sorting it, and limiting results, and even combining tables with joins. Select statements are a powerful way to get exactly the data you need from database, and the possibilities are endless as you dive deeper. If you enjoyed this video and want more SQL tutorials, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below on what you would like to learn next. Thank you for watching and happy learning.